What's up, guys? Hope everyone's doing well. I just wanted to give you some quick clips from today. Been pretty busy. I couldn't film the whole calls, guys. I'm sorry. It's very hard for me to do that. I'm one of those, like, once I get working, half the times I forget about, like, even trying to film it because I just wanted to get the job done, you know. So I apologize for that, but I figured you guys might enjoy a couple of these clips. So figured I'd throw a video together for you since it's been about a week or two. Hope you enjoy. Alright, boys, so you can hear me, we got a unit here. It's flooding back. The compressor, as you can see, this side is fine. We got this one here though. I gotta go in, a bunch of the coils frosted up. I gotta get it defrosted. I think we got a TXV issue or something going on here, or a bulb not placed right. Something's going on, so figure this out. See why this is flooding back. Now we're up here. This is the other blower. I don't know if you guys can hear me. They're cranking music in here too. We gotta get this panel open. This evap was frozen up. I just thawed it out, defrosted it, but we gotta get in here and check this valve. As you can see, these things are huge, way up in the air here. So nice though. Nice pallets and boxes I can sit on here. It'll be a nice little seat. So here's the inside of this thing. This thing's old too. This is from, I think it's from the 80s. Going on 25, 30 years old. Frosting up a little. Gonna check our valve. So you can see we're running R22 here, guys. Superheat's way off. I'm gonna try to adjust this valve. And to put my clamp on one of the coils closest to the header here, because this is like it's like a 2 5/8 header. I don't have a clamp big enough to get on that to get a right reading off of that. So, but these here are about the same temperature on the coil coming into it. So we're gonna do it that way. When I adjust my valves, I always mark them with a black marker, so I know when I can count the rotations. I know where how many times I turned it. So we're gonna try to give this a little adjustment. Remember, back it out counterclockwise lowers the superheat. Clockwise in raises the superheat. You can see how superheat's getting better now. I've adjusted it one full turn. I'm just gonna give it like another quarter turn here. Hope you guys can hear me. This music is so loud in here. So just gonna go a little more with it. Get this around 10. Superheat 8 to 10 will be good. This is R22, so even 10 to 12 will be okay, but I like to try to get it around 10 if I can. So I got this thing hovering between 10 and 11, guys. I'm gonna leave it here. It's about as good as I can get this thing. So I'm gonna go outside, check the compressor, make sure that everything looks good out there on that. So you can see now it's going down. It's looking good. So I'm gonna leave it here. So with R22, you can have 10 to 12 and the superheat's fine. Especially with a system this old. I'm lucky it's even doing this well. So we're back out here, guys. You can see the other one now. No more frosting up. She's not flooding back anymore. You can see that superheat was way too high, causing liquid to flood back. So that pressure's out here. We're looking good. Especially for this old one. Remember, I put this compressor in about 6, 7 years ago. The 25 horse compressors. Oh man, it was friggin' heavy. Friggin' bitch putting that thing in. Well, we're looking good, guys. It's pretty much a wrap on this one. This is just another call, guys, but I figured I'd show you while we're on this. You see these wires here from the low pressure control? I just cut them, but you can see they chafed, and they chafed right into here. If that will focus. Chafed right into there, arced out, blew a hole in this pipe. So I'm just gonna braze that up. I'm gonna color it in. Get this one repaired. So I'm gonna show you that quick, guys. Always make sure your wires are secure, because I've seen this many times. They arc out, they blow a hole in the pipe. This thing lost its whole charge. So very easy fix, but sucks for the customer, you know.
got it all brazed up here, guys, and if you can see that, I get this to focus. Just gotta color it in. Nice and easy fix. That's all you gotta do on something like this. Then I'm gonna just repair these wires and charge it up, and that'll be that. So I just figured I'd throw this in here for you guys as well. So what I did, I just spliced them together with some butt connectors. Put these wires together. You can see now it's off the pipe. Nothing's gonna vibrate here and rub on the pipe. So that will keep that from chafing and blowing again. So for this one, I'm gonna get it on a vacuum, charge it up, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed that. If you got any questions, let me know, guys. Like I said, I'm sorry I couldn't get a full thing together for you, that call and every little detail I went through. Like I said, I get busy and I forget about filming sometimes. And like I said, even a lot of places I can't be like, you know, walking around filming stuff all the time. You know, just a lot of the customers that I deal with, I'm just unable to do that. I can't film all day what I do. So if you got any questions, let me know in the comments. I appreciate it. You know, you guys know, you guys are great. I love all my subscribers. You guys have been very loyal and very awesome. You've been with me since pretty much the beginning, a lot of you guys. So I really appreciate everything, and I'm glad I can hopefully help some people out. So, said, you got any questions, put them down in the comments below, and I hope everyone's staying safe, staying busy. I know some areas of the country now, things are getting worse than they were, and we went through our crap too this late winter and spring, and I don't know, now business is booming, but who knows, that could change in a heartbeat. You don't know. So, and if anyone's new here, and you like what you're seeing, consider subscribing, guys. I still see that a lot of people that are watching my channel, still about 70% of you guys aren't subscribed. So I'd really appreciate it if you could. It would help out the channel. And follow me on Instagram, guys. If you are on there, it's CSC Refrigeration and HVAC. I'm pretty active on there because it's a lot easier to do. Just add something to my story, or, you know, post pictures or something. You know, I'm able to post and do stuff on there a lot easier and a lot more often than I can, you know, on YouTube, obviously. I mean, Instagram can be almost a daily thing. So I appreciate it, guys. Stay safe, stay strong. Don't kill yourselves. I'll catch you boys in the next one.